our 3-door refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 82.5 inches, a depth of 32.5 inches, and height with wheels, we have 80 inches tall. Keys and locks included. Coming to the right is the power switch along with the temperature control. Left, middle, and right swing doors. Included are 12 adjustable shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. The measurements for each shelf will include 24 inches in depth by 24.5 inches in length. Interior dimensions for the refrigerator, we have 78 inches in length, a depth of 25 inches, and a height 49 inches tall. Coming to the top right corner will be the ETL certification. 2 LED strips are also on the left and right corner panel. Back of the refrigerator is the 110/120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.